It's a Carrera 4S and a plain old Chevy, but they're from Monaco, Monte Carlo. And it's time to get out of the road. When pigs can fly. So Princess Grace was married in this church in 1956. Not sure, but I think that might be the casino. The defenses of Monaco, or at least part of it.
These are nice things.
These are old cannons.
So you will.
That is the royal entrance to the Monte Carlo Casino.
So you can go into the casino.
This is the private entrance for the royalty of Monaco.
You'll see the front of the
20 minutes, 5 o'clock.
And this is still another angle of the casino. And I'm impressed by the, must be a hotel on that cliff. I don't know what's keeping it up. The Royal Pigeon.
Hillside.
I'm standing on the entrance to the casino, Monte Carlo, and this is the view.
אסור לצלם בפנים. אין בעיה. אי אפשר להיכנס עם שום אקססורי שמצלם.
דנה, בואי רק לראות, תני לדנה להיות פה.
Ooh, I want one of those. Hotel de Port Paris.
Any one of them.
For some kind of building there, it's €1 million per minute.
I'd like to get one of those to put on our lake, but we don't have a boat launch that'll handle it, so I guess I won't be able to get one.
Some of them like this place, all the water on the lake. The biggest are in Antibes. You know Antibes? It's between Nice and Cannes. You have the Billionaire Harbor. They're double that size. You have the King of Qatar. You have a boat is 3 floors up.
The lifeboat sitting on top
And
of it.
there is 2 helicopters on top. In Antibes, yes. And some of the crew members said to me, you use more helicopters. There were 17 minutes. Swimming pool where Charlene, she was a South African swimmer. And the Prince Beat, because she was a professional swimmer. Falling in love with jet skis.
Those princes, they pull them famous.
Climbing Mount Lou Casteau.
Funny, they have 2 different sets of stairs, completely different construction on them.
I wonder if they go to different areas of the
I
park.
bet it circles all the way around.
Could be.
Yeah, I can't see what the path is there. It's kinda...
Well,
I think once we get to the top, you're going to be in much better shape. Look at the house up underneath the dome. Is that the one you said Elton John owns?
Yeah, the square one.
Yeah.
No, it was by electrical.
I have you and this assistant over there.
Sure. She's already there.
she is.
Elton John owns one of those houses up on the hill, and we thought it might be the one underneath the dome.
Ready?
And we're heading up to the top of the hill that's above Old Town Nice. And it's a pretty good trek up the hill. Nice view. We're getting closer to the top.
I'm glowing and glistening over here.
Yeah, me too.
No, you're sweating.
Yeah, I'm
Women
sweating, you're
glow
glowing
and
and glistening. There's an old cemetery on the other side of that wall. Let's check it out. An owl. Looks like a, I don't know what that is. Must be a dog park up there.
Sounds like it.
Historically volcanic.
You ever guys go out to California? Go over to Catalina Island. It's the ceramic tile capital of the southern California coast. There's ceramic tile everywhere. Factories. Plus it's
Yeah.
You hear the waterfall, Mom? Get a set of these and start speaking with English accent.
Ah, I like that. Yeah.
Un autre marché là-dedans, parce que j'avais vu, ça avait l'air génial. Quand c'est les légumes aussi, c'est... Regarde la journée décollée. Avec la joie décollée pendant que je regarde autre chose.